Welcome back to TerraNova. We've already explored how stars are born and the different stages of their lives. But what happens when a star dies? Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in astronomy, the final moments of a star's life and what comes after. From white dwarfs to black holes, the universe has some incredible ways of recycling stellar material. When a small or medium-sized star like our Sun reaches the end of its life, it runs out of hydrogen fuel and can no longer sustain nuclear fusion in its core. It expands into a red giant and sheds its outer layers, creating a beautiful cloud of gas and dust known as a planetary nebula. What remains is the hot, dense core, which becomes a white dwarf. These stars no longer generate energy but can glow faintly for billions of years as they cool down. Now let's move on to the more massive stars. When a star at least 8 times the mass of our Sun dies, it explodes in a supernova, releasing an immense amount of energy. The outer layers are blasted into space, but what remains is the core. If the core is between 1.4 and 3 times the mass of the Sun, it collapses into a neutron star, a small, incredibly dense object composed almost entirely of neutrons. In fact, just a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. And now, for the most extreme outcome, black holes. If the core left behind after a supernova is more than 3 times the mass of the Sun, gravity overwhelms all other forces and the core collapses into a black hole. This is a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, making black holes one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. Which do you find more fascinating, the quiet glow of a white dwarf or the mystery of a black hole? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to TerraNova and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll explore the incredible force of gravity inside black holes.